Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Clickbank for beginners, specifically how to make money with Clickbank for free in 2020. And you can be brand new, you can be making hundreds of dollars a day. This is a method that has worked very well for me. If you stick around until the end, we're going to talk about how to market these Clickbank products. But before we get to it, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is about affiliate marketing, how to make money online. I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. Again, this is Clickbank for beginners, how to make money with Clickbank for free in 2020. I'm going to give you step by step on how you can earn hundreds of dollars a day. You can be completely new, it doesn't matter. You're going to learn how to do this for free. Okay, so the first step is you're going to, of course, make a free account at clickbank.com. Make sure your username is something professional, because I chose one that isn't very professional, and so you just want to really think through what it is that you're going to have for your username. And then you also need to set up how to get paid. I'm going to leave links to these two articles in the description below, but this first one is how to sign up for a Clickbank account. It's changed a little bit, so you want to make sure you go through here and do it completely just as they state in this article here. And then I'll also leave a link to how to set up to get paid. Now the payment methods are check. I get a check in the mail. They send it every 2 weeks. You can also get paid direct deposit, wire transfer, or Payoneer. So you want to make sure you get that set up right, so that when you do make a sale that you're going to get your commission. So that's the first step. The second step is, of course, to pick a product. If we go to the marketplace here, the three most profitable niches, as I've told you in some of my other videos, are health, wealth, and relationships, and that's because those are the areas that people have the most problems in, and so those are going to be the most popular products to promote. And you want to pick a niche, a very specific niche. You don't want to be all over the place, because people sometimes just ask, like, what's the best product to promote? But you want to, with this method I'm going to show you, you want to make sure you have a very specific niche that you're promoting. And we're going to promote this product on YouTube. So we're going to pick a keyword that relates to that product on YouTube. So we want to go here. I'm going to click on health and fitness, because most people do need to lose weight, especially this time of year. We're into February, but beginning of the year, people are really wanting to lose weight, especially. So if you can sort these by popularity, like what's the most popular one in health and fitness is going to be this one here. You can also sort by gravity, and that's going to give you how many affiliates have sold this particular product. This one is 535. I think that's within the last 30 days or so. And this Cinderella solution is 306. So these are very good products to promote. You do want to look at the sales page and make sure that it's a legitimate product. So we'll just look at the sales page. But some of the Clickbank products that I have reviewed are just total garbage, like most of the products in here. This one I think is a good product to promote, but you want to make sure that we have integrity, and you promote things that are good, because I see people out there trying to sell just anything just to make money, and to me that's not right. You want to make sure that there is a good product, and unfortunately there are a lot of not very good products in Clickbank, but there are some good ones in here. So we're going to take a Cinderella solution here, and if we do look at the sales page, you'll see that it has to do with fat loss. Okay, and you see that this woman has a lot of fat on her stomach. So we're going to go over to YouTube, and YouTube, of course, is a search engine. People go to YouTube all the time to find solutions to whatever problem it is that they have. This particular, the way that I know this, the volume here is 4,400 searches a month. Is this a free Google plugin? It's called Keywords Everywhere, and if you install that, then you can see that that's the amount of searches every single month for this keyword. And I thought this would be a good keyword, how to lose belly fat without exercise, because that's what this is talking about, is that you don't actually have to exercise, but you can lose this weight. So a lot of people are interested in that because they don't have time to exercise. So what you're going to do is come here and search this keyword and see the top 3 to 4 videos here. You can see this one has 253,000 views. The second one has 1.3 million views. This one here has 6.2 million views. This one has 9.1 million views. So you're going to take the top 3 to 4 videos. I would do the top 4 because this one here looks really good. 9.1 million views. So what you're going to do after that is you're going to create a transcript. You can go to rev.com and have someone transcribe those videos for you so you know exactly what they're saying, or you can take notes on the content yourself if you don't want to spend any money on that. And then what you're going to do is come up with your own unique content. It's kind of like you're doing a research project and you go to the library and you get a bunch of different things that as your resources, and you're going to come up with your own report or your own content to create a video. And then you're going to create a video on that keyword, but you don't have to do this yourself. So a lot of people don't want to do YouTube marketing because they're afraid, they don't want to make videos themselves, but there's a way that you can do this without creating the video yourself. You can go to Fiverr and hire a spokesperson to then create a video based on the transcript that you created off of the other 3 to 4 videos. So if we go over to Fiverr, you can see that like maybe this person is a spokesperson, get a video for you in just 24 hours. This, ironically enough though, this person is one person that you see in a lot of the sales videos that I don't think are legitimate. So you may want to pick a different person, but just as an example, he'll do it for $5, 1-day delivery. I'm not sure how long that video would be, but he can just do the video for you, or you can go in here and search like animated videos. Those really keep people's attention. I think they're interesting. Like when someone's like drawing something, you just want to see what they're doing. So you can, these may be a little bit more expensive, the animated ones. So you can just search in here. You can do that, or if you want to create the video yourself and you're just afraid to show your face on camera, you can do like what I do, which is like a PowerPoint. I use Canva, and then you can use Camtasia, where you don't even have to show your face. You can turn the camera off, but you just do like a screen capture, and then you'll create the video. You want to make sure you have a similar title and description as the top 3 to 4 videos for that keyword, because obviously these videos are at the top here for some reason because of the content. So you want to do something that's similar. You could do something like how to lose belly fat without exercise. That would be a good title. And then you want to look at the descriptions and do something similar to that. And obviously you're not going to copy these word for word. You're just going to use them as inspiration to see what their content is, what their description is. And then you want to take the top one here and find out what keywords they're using. So if you install something, it's called vidIQ, and then you'll find what keywords they're using, and you're going to use the same keywords. So if we scroll down here, you can see the video tags here. You just click on this thing that looks like a paperclip, and it'll automatically copy them, and then you just put them in your tags, your video tags of your video. Now, since you're just getting started, you may not rank, of course, because this is probably a pretty competitive keyword, But what's going to happen is you can start to show up on the right hand side here, suggested videos. And I've heard that that's when people's channels just really explode, is when YouTube starts to suggest your videos to people that are looking for example, how to lose belly fat without exercise. And so you don't have to actually show up in the top of the search, but you're going to start getting views because people will be looking at related videos to the one that they're searching. And then, of course, you want to get your hop link. And how you do that is we go over here to Cinderella Solution, and then you just click on Promote, and then click on Generate Hop Links. And then this is your affiliate link here. So when someone buys that, you're going to make the commission. You want to mask it with either like bit.ly.com, or you can use Clickmagic, which is what I use. It looks more professional. You can get a domain name for it. I do have a video on that, how to mask it in Clickmagic. I'll post that in the description below the video. And then, of course, you want to have a call to action in your actual video that directs someone to click on the link in the description. So at the end of your video, let's say you have how to lose belly fat without exercise, you can have a call to action that if you want to learn more about how to lose belly fat without exercise, check out the first link in the description below the video, and that way you're directing people to your affiliate link. And I want to caution you that I think a lot of people want to just get out there and make sales, but you want to provide value, and you want to have people know, like, and trust you. And obviously, again, you don't have to show your face on camera, but you just think about, if you look at this video and you trust this person, you're likely to buy from them. But people, I think, just, again, want to go out and throw their link up all over the place, and they don't understand why they're not making any money. But if you create a channel that, let's say, you're going to promote weight loss products, you create a channel that provides value to people that are trying to lose weight, and then you can repeat this with other Clickbank products. Like, you could repeat it with this one here. You could see what that one's about and create videos around those keywords. But you're just providing value to people who want to become fit and healthy and lose weight. Then you're going to start to attract people to you, and people will start to buy from you. So you want to make sure you give before you get. And that's really, really important to remember when you're selling on Clickbank. So that's what I wanted to share with you. I hope you guys got some value on this Clickbank for beginners and how you can make money for free in 2020 on Clickbank. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. And if you want to learn more about how to create a profitable YouTube channel in 2020, that'll be the second link in the description below the video. You can check those out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mero signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.